What's up, ATF fan? We back at with another reaction video. Today we got Crip Mac and Brick Baby meet. They first meets Hoover Crip for the first time. A gay Hoover Crip. I'm not. I don't know what. I don't know what to expect out this video right here. But we're gonna get right into it though.
Lit. We got Tony with us, man. Tony Rich, Will Rich. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Sharp, the sharp one. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I ain't know Sharp was
the
in
man
this
of
one.
the hour, Mr. 55th Street himself.
Crip
Mac.
I ain't never
How you
seen
know
it.
your crib?
Man, this gonna be an interesting
This how I
one,
throw my
man.
crib.
Yeah.
Oh like no,
That's my crib.
Oh,
Yeah, that's the
See,
big
I'm
C.
already outdoing you.
Yeah.
That's the penitentiary
That's the
seat.
penitentiary seat. He said he been to the pen. We gonna get to
I
it,
haven't
though.
been to the pen. I've been to jail.
Yo, you
for a
been
long
to
minute.
jail. Oh, so you been to the county.
I've been to the county. I've been to a few counties.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So look, man.
You ever been to LA County Jail?
Hell no.
Oh yeah, LA County Jail.
He
LA
sound
County
he
Jail.
don't want to go neither.
LA
He'll be
no, hold on. Men's Central Jail is nothing but your homeboys in there. The Hoovers,
Yeah.
like you know,
Yeah.
some of them is
they're
vicious.
gonna
I ain't
send
even
you.
gonna
They're
lie.
gonna
I'm gonna
ask you.
fit right in
So,
that.
but the police ask you if you gay or not, or you
Look
gonna tell
gay
the yes
ass.
or no.
They gonna be able to see I'm gay.
So they're gonna put
But
you in
my
powder
energy
blue.
gonna
They're
let
gonna
you know that I'm
separate. So
gay.
they're gonna separate you
But
off the rip.
They don't have to though.
From
No,
Hoover.
They don't.
they're gonna
So
make
you
you
going with your
go
homeboys.
to
Going with your homeboys.
Oh, so that's how they do in LA.
Yeah.
So
Funny as
in AJ, I mean in the jail in LA, they make all the gay people go to one side of the jail and all the straight people go. Why?
Because just to keep away. I told you.
Also, it's a Subway sandwich. Like I
it's-
said, 5 each a song.
Oh, you got me this?
Yeah, we got
man.
sandwiches.
See, I'm respected already.
You know what? No, but
I'm
look,
respected
look.
already.
That's 6
China
inch or
man.
a foot long.
Look,
It
China
better not be
man.
no it better not be no poison in here, Crip man. You better not be poisoning.
Hey,
Your tattoo say
take a bite of it.
You'll
You'll take a bite of it. That's how we do it in the county jail, especially with different people from different sets. Like, you know, when you make the Pruno drink in the county, if it's from another hood, make sure that, exactly. Make sure I take a sip there on hood, like, all right, cause now you take, so now you know it's official. Go ahead and take some of that, Brick Baby.
I don't know if I'm gonna share that.
All right.
That's
I'm
one
gonna
day.
trust Crip Mac.
Listen,
His tattoo say Hoover Killer, so I'm gonna trust that ain't no killing
Tony.
drugs in this mother.
No. Look. This is different, kid. This is it's about elevation in life.
All right, so let's get into it. No jumper. What's going on?
I'm telling you, he couldn't even talk about gay at one point. So
no,
the
man,
fact
it's about
that he showed up today,
elevation in life.
that shit damn near bring tears to my eyes, man. I love you for that.
Yeah.
Listen, so Tony,
Did they hire Brick?
So I'm from
Brick
Fort
Baby
Worth,
on this?
Murder Word.
Let me know down in the comments section if they hired Brick Baby in this No Jumper.
Kill a lot of out there. Murder Word.
Funky Town.
Funky Town. But we ain't funky. I got on deodorant.
You got on the other.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
I'm gonna tell you
Hell no, old spice.
Hey, I know you from out there in Texas, but the word, how you say that word, that's how you just the 40. So just use another word.
Oh no, that's
no. Just tell me use another word.
Listen,
okay, another word.
So just say like
no, Fort Worth. That's the nickname the white people call it.
Is it?
That's the nickname for the town.
All right.
You know, because we keep it in professional. You know, no
I'm from the south side.
You already know this.
I'm from the south side of Fort Worth. I grew up in a small neighborhood called Morningside. That is the 5 Deuce area. So then you have the Hoover Landings when that is like a little bit down the street, like on Rosedale and stuff. And that's where I come from. So we do it a little different in Fort Worth. So you see, I got orange.
Blood. I thought he was
in Fort Worth.
That's what they wear out here.
That's what they wear out here.
Oh,
the Hoovers wear orange.
Okay, everybody wear orange.
But I don't think you would right now want to go hang out on Fig and 74th or 52nd and Hoover. What you think?
Cheeseburger.
Okay, so
a
cheeseburger.
So do y'all like Hoover?
Respect. No.
Okay.
No, we don't. We neighborhood Crips. We don't.
If I see a red dot coming anywhere in here, I swear to God, I'm gonna run up this.
When I tell you like this, I'm about taking care of business and I'm elevating, knowing China Mac and King 5 Fingers and ODM Slim
and Crip Casey.
Come on, and Crip Casey.
Crip Casey. So
Crip like
Casey.
Brick Baby. Crip Casey.
Who is that?
You know, we talk with all seasons.
I'm elevating in life. You hear me? Elevating in life means 5 each his own. Everybody has their path.
5 each his own.
But people won't.
This nigga's substitute 5 for everything.
far in life if you just continue to bash how mother is, Cal.
You're never gonna ascend to the next level. Like, you gotta understand. It was one point in life where blacks could not use white people restroom. You know what I'm saying? So now look at us now. Now, right now, a little bit, people are saying, oh, well, we don't accept gay people in the gang culture. Just give me 5 years.
That nigga said, give me 5 years. What the fuck going on with him? Yeah, that ain't what I expected out of that video. But we went strongly through it. We don't really I ain't got nothing against the community or nothing like that, but you know, you see they elevating, so we gonna elevate. We gonna react to it. It ain't niggas be tripping with that shit nowadays. They say everything sus. But anyway, that ain't what I expected. But we remember, like, comment, subscribe. We just gonna get out of here though. We flabbergasted on that. Remember, like, comment, subscribe if you new. Post notifications, turn that bell on. We dropping them back to back to back to back, and we gonna get that